Hello and welcome to my podcast. In today's episode, I'm going to discuss the deterioration of our political culture in the aftermath of the August Revolution in Bangladesh. My name is Anurul Islam, and this is your authentic channel, Tahseen's Lyceum. Right now, leaders and activists from all major parties are engaged in a war of words, filled with slang, personal attacks, and vulgar language. This is not democracy. This is not the Bangladesh our martyrs dreamed of. Once a country that struggled for freedom, democracy, and dignity, we are now witnessing an alarming trend, the normalization of abusive, slang ridden political discourse. Politicians from all sides are engaged in a battle of words that lack respect, courtesy, and decency. Personal attacks have taken the place of policy discussions. Why is this happening? First of all, a lack of political tolerance. Parties now see each other not as competitors in democracy, but as enemies to be destroyed. Absence of ideological focus, social media vulgarity, and a failure of leadership ethics. A country does not collapse because of disagreement. It collapses when disagreement becomes disrespect. Let us disagree like patriots, not enemies. Let us debate like visionaries, not bullies. Bangladesh deserves a better political culture, and it begins with how we speak, how we listen, and how we lead. It's high time we put a stop to the shouting and vulgar language that are tarnishing the political culture of Bangladesh. Civilized discourse must replace this growing trend of personal attacks and indecency. That's all for today.